Salesloft is a powerful sales engagement platform designed to streamline your sales process and boost productivity. Here's how to use it effectively. Set up your account. Log into Salesloft and configure your profile with your details. Integrate it with your CRM to synchronize data. Create cadences. Design cadences to engage prospects systematically. Use the cadence builder to define steps, intervals, and content for each stage of engagement. Import contacts. Import leads or contacts from your CRM or upload them manually. Assign them to appropriate cadences to start the outreach process. Engage with prospects. Use a sales dialer for calls, email composer for personalized emails, and check engagement. Schedule tasks like follow-ups directly within the platform. Analyze performance. Monitor your sales activities through dashboards and reports. Evaluate cadence performance, team productivity, and engagement metrics to identify improvement areas. Collaborate with teams. Share templates, scripts, and best practices with your team. Utilize the platform's coaching tools to provide feedback and improve sales skills.